First at 6 o'clock, he was in our news open every night. So infamous was credit crisis king Joe Mollicone, who still owes millions in restitution with no hope of ever coming even close to making good for so much misery. From the Wayback Machine now to jog your memory on the looting of the bank he ran, the take the money and run saga that followed, and the punishment meted out more than 30 years ago. I'm Gene Valicenti.
Good evening, I'm Patrice Woods. So far, how far along is he in his payment plan? The I-Team's Brian Crandall is here with the numbers and what Joe Mollicone said today. Brian?
Patrice, Gene, Joe Mollicone was ordered to repay $12 million for his notorious bank embezzlement. At the current pace of his payments, though, that would take more than 14,000 years.
Joseph Mollicone.
Now 81, but always linked to Rhode Island's banking crisis in the early 1990s. Joe Mollicone had a court hearing for just more than a minute to update the status of his restitution payments.
Mr. Mollicone, looks like you've made the payments as ordered by this court.
That's currently $70 a month, because last August, Judge Gina Lopes agreed to lower Mollicone's monthly payment to that amount, down from $270 a month. That's as she also found Mollicone violated his probation for not making payments for the full amount for more than a year. Of the $12 million, so far Mollicone has paid just under $54,000, according to the courts. He did not have much to say outside court when I asked him about making the payments.
What? Did you want to say anything?
No, but thanks for being concerned for me.
Mollicone stole about $15 million from the bank he ran, Heritage Loan and Investment on Federal Hill in Providence, sparking the collapse of the private insurer that backed many of the credit unions in the state. In early 1991, newly inaugurated Governor Bruce Sunland ordered the shutdown of 45 impacted credit unions and banks. About 300,000 customers were shut off from their savings, many for more than a year. The state borrowed hundreds of millions of dollars to reimburse them. Meanwhile, Mollicone disappeared for a year and a half, living under an assumed identity in Utah. He turned himself in 1992 and was convicted of embezzlement and other crimes the next year. Mollicone was sentenced to 30 years in prison, a record white-collar crime punishment in the state, but was released in 2002. And the judge set another status hearing on his restitution payments coming up in April. I'm Brian Crandall, NBC 10 News.